She's black, she's purple, and she's a Camaro. It's a 2012 Chevy Camaro LT. Look at the rims. Man, those are some big rims. Look at that. Baltimore Rayers. Fog out light in the back. Really, what's the damage in this thing? Little beam and little mark from the insurance company. Look, the rims is good. Just, oh, right here. I mean, that's nothing. A bumper, a fender. The rim doesn't even look like it's bended at all. Ooh, but the airbag inside. How? Let me open through here because it has a sticker over there. But this is where it gets you. Airbags are deployed. Oh, you know, oh, look at the boom boom in the back. And there's Batman. But all the airbags are deployed. Yeah. Bags with stuff. Yeah, she ain't gonna start. Nah, she ain't starting. I mean, it can be fixed. It's not bad. These airbags, that can be replaced. Nothing bad at all. Can I open the back door? No. Anybody wants to fix this? Go ahead and look at Carport. Thanks for watching.